My name is Javier Ortiz. I'm the National Director of the Committee of Trade Compliance and Customs for Index, the Mexican Association of Maquiladoras. I'm with Amphenol Corporation as well, and I'm doing the trade compliance management in Mexico for that company. Tariffs are taxes, basically, which governments apply upon the merchandises coming from certain countries to protect the domestic industry when that country is allegedly doing unfair practices for trade. These are very common lately as many countries are acting as in a protectionist way. Mexico recently imposed tariffs to 544 different items. There is no assigned country for that. It's a general increase on duties. It's different than probably other countries that are targeting the imports of certain or specific countries. In Mexico, they open this to a general importation because Mexican government assumes that the importers may be bringing materials from countries where Mexico has free trade agreements. So in those cases, under that assumption, the new tariff won't be applied for that merchandises. These new tariffs are forcing the companies to relocate their sourcing to Mexico. At first, it may seem like a huge challenge because we don't know if we're going to find the sourcing directly here. But then again, the opportunity to bring those suppliers that are manufacturing these components in other countries directly to Mexico will increase the nearshoring trend and also will lower the cost for their potential clients. Tariffs are being imposed also in the United States, and the costs of operation in the United States compared to Mexico are higher. So the final cost of the product and the profit the companies are going to have if they move their operations down in Mexico obviously are going to be more favorable for them. In Mexico, we have a lot of elements making a decision to relocate an operation to this country, an easy decision. We are close to the United States. We have people with high skills. We have infrastructure in the country. The logistics are acceptable. So there are a lot of things that can lead to a decision of moving to Mexico. This disruption is going to force companies, as I already explained, to shift the sources. In the long term, this may be a better situation for Mexico and for the companies coming down to Mexico because they're going to have more offers to have sourcing companies that will have a more strong supply chain opportunity. We are going to see materials coming from other countries, maybe from Latin America, from Europe, from other countries in Asia like Vietnam. It's going to change the face of how we do business in Mexico. We gave one country all the recipe for all of our products that we need in the day-to-day life. So that has, gave a lot of control to that country upon the rest of the globe. So what we need to do now is, take back some of that into the North America region so we can grow our industries as well as we have done it in the past.